When we talk about the wealthiest individuals in the country or the world, many would drop men's names like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. It's so rare for us to include women in the list because, sad to say, we don't know anyone. Yes, men dominated the list of wealthiest people, but more and more women have been included over the years. Let's get to know the women who make it to the Forbes list of wealthiest Americans for 2023. Before we start with our list of the richest women in the United States, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button to stay updated. Let's start with Victoria Mars. She inherits an impressive 8% stake each in the renowned candy and pet food empire, Mars, Incorporated, a legacy passed down from their father, Forrest Mars Jr. Mars, Incorporated, with $47 billion in sales, is celebrated for iconic candy brands like M&M's, Milky Way, and Skittles. The company's diversified portfolio includes Ben's Original Rice, Pedigree, and Whiskas. Two of her sisters, Pamela and Marika, have also made it to the list of the wealthiest women in the country. Up next is Trudy Cathy White. She is the only daughter of Chick-fil-A's founder, Truett Cathy. While her billionaire brothers lead the company, Trudy is an ambassador, actively participating in new restaurant openings and corporate events, showcasing her dedication to preserving the family legacy and Chick-fil-A's values. She has also extended her reach into Christian nonprofits, drawing from her missionary experience in Brazil to co-found organizations like LifeShape and Impact 360 Institute to promote Christian principles. She is also an accomplished author, with notable works including A Quiet Strength, a biography of her late mother, Jeanette Cathy. Judy Love is another remarkable woman on the list with a net worth of $10.2 million. She is the co-founder and matriarch of Love's Travel Stops and Country Stores. With over 600 locations across 42 states, the company, specializing in fuel and consumer products, has become a significant player in the fuel and convenience store sector, boasting an annual revenue of approximately $25.5 billion as of 2021. The increased valuation of the business underscores Judy Love's influence. Melinda French Gates also made it to the list. She is known for her influential role in philanthropy and serves as the co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, despite her divorce from Bill Gates in May 2021. The couple remains committed to their joint role in the foundation, emphasizing their shared dedication to philanthropic causes. In a significant financial move, Melinda achieved billionaire status in her own right when Bill Gates transferred $2.4 billion worth of stock to her in May 2021. Focused on enabling healthy and productive lives, Melinda has dedicated efforts to advancing women's and girls' rights. Beyond the Gates Foundation, she is embarking on a new philanthropic chapter through Pivotal Ventures, addressing the funding gap for female founders. This venture underscores Melinda French Gates' commitment to empowering women in entrepreneurship. Next on the list is Christy Walton. She became a key figure in one of the world's wealthiest families through her marriage to the prominent Walmart Walton family. Her financial significance escalated after her husband John Walton's tragic death. Besides her ties to the retail giant, Christy gained attention for her philanthropic and political activities. Despite her considerable wealth and public engagement, Christy maintains a highly private life in Jackson, Wyoming. She always prefers a life of privacy and tranquility amidst the wealth and influence of her family. Laurene Powell Jobs, inheriting a substantial fortune from her late husband Steve Jobs, has distinguished herself beyond her financial legacy as a prominent figure in impact investing, philanthropy, and advocacy. As the founder and president of the Emerson Collective, Powell Jobs focuses on addressing critical issues in environmental justice, health, immigration, and education. Beyond her media investments, she holds a minority stake in Monumental Sports, NHL's Capitals, and WNBA's Mystics. She participated in the WNBA's historic capital raise in 2022. In 2021, Powell Jobs launched the Waverly Street Foundation, committing $3 billion over a decade to combat climate change and promote environmental justice. Diane Hendricks, the chairwoman of ABC Supply, a prominent player in wholesale distribution of roofing, siding, and windows in the United States, has been a driving force in the company's success since co-founding it with her late husband, Ken. Following Ken's passing, Hendricks assumed leadership and oversaw significant milestones, including the major acquisitions of Bradco in 2010 and L&W Supply in 2016. With over 900 branch locations, ABC Supply reported impressive revenues of $18.5 billion in 2022, a testament to Hendrix's strategic leadership. Hendrix began selling custom homes before meeting Ken, a roofer. Beyond business, she has invested in local economic development, contributing millions to rebuild blocks in Beloit, Wisconsin, and attracting new businesses to the state. Next on the list is Abigail Johnson. She has been a transformative force at Fidelity Investments since assuming the CEO role in 2014, succeeding her father and later taking on the position of chairman in 2016. As the granddaughter of Fidelity's founder, Edward Johnson II, Johnson has continued the family legacy of the renowned Boston-based mutual fund giant. With an estimated 28.5% stake in the company as of September 2023, Johnson has overseen Fidelity's management of discretionary assets, totaling an impressive $4.5 trillion. She also embraced the potential of cryptocurrencies and, in 2018, launched a platform allowing institutional investors to trade Bitcoin and Ether, marking a substantial entry into the digital asset realm. Her journey with Fidelity began during her college years, and her leadership style and commitment to innovation have solidified Fidelity's standing as a major player in the investment landscape under her guidance. Miriam Adon, the widow of former Las Vegas Sands CEO and chairman Sheldon Adelson, assumed a prominent role within the family's gambling empire following her husband's passing in 2021. With control over half of the business, the Adelsons' gambling empire operates major casinos in Singapore and Macau. Beyond business, the Adelsons are influential Republican political donors, contributing $180 million to GOP campaigns and political action committees in 2020. In a significant move for the Las Vegas Sands in February 2022, under Miriam Adelson's leadership, the company sold assets on the Vegas Strip, including the Venetian Resort and the Sands Expo and Convention Center, in a transaction amounting to $6.25 billion. Next is Mackenzie Scott, the former wife of Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. She is a prominent philanthropist and author and received a 4% stake in Amazon as part of their 2019 divorce settlement after 25 years of marriage. She pledged to give away at least half of her wealth during her lifetime, signing the Giving Pledge in May 2019. Through her initiative, Yield Giving, Scott has transparently shared details of her substantial philanthropic efforts, donating $14.4 billion since 2020 to nearly 1,600 nonprofits. Beyond her philanthropy, Scott is an accomplished author, having published 2 novels. Another prominent wealthy figure in the country is Jacqueline Mars. She holds a significant 1/3 ownership stake in Mars, the iconic candy, food, and pet care company founded by her grandfather. Her involvement spans nearly 20 years, during which she served on the company's board until 2016. Jacqueline's familial ties extend to her son, Stephen Badger, a Mars' board of directors member. Beyond her contributions to the family business, she is actively engaged in philanthropic and cultural initiatives, serving on the board of the National Archives and previously on the board of the Washington National Opera. Next is Julia Koch, who inherited a substantial 42% stake in Koch Industries alongside her 3 children following the passing of her husband, David Koch, in August 2019. In the 1980s, Julia Koch moved to New York City as an assistant to renowned fashion designer Adolfo, where she collaborated with high-profile clients, including First Lady Nancy Reagan. In 1991, she and David Koch met on a blind date, leading to their marriage in 1996. The couple was recognized for their joint philanthropic efforts, highlighted by a notable $10 million donation to Mount Sinai Medical Center and another $10 million to Stanford Children's Hospital. Koch's journey, from her fashion industry background to her philanthropic work with her late husband, exemplifies a life shaped by diverse experiences and a shared commitment to community impact. Alice Walton is the wealthiest woman in the United States now, with a net worth of $60.6 billion. She is the daughter of Walmart founder Sam Walton. Unlike her siblings, she focused on her passion for arts, rather than engaging in Walmart's operations. Her significant impact on the art world materialized in 2011, with the inauguration of the Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art in Bentonville, Arkansas. The museum is a cultural gem, with an impressive collection by renowned artists like Andy Warhol, Norman Rockwell, and Mark Rothko. Walton's dedication to fostering appreciation for American art is evident in the museum's diverse offerings. Walton has also extended her influence to healthcare. In 2022, the Holistic Health Institute she founded transformed, becoming the Alice L. Walton School of Medicine. This change underscores her commitment to advancing healthcare initiatives and education in her community. These are some of the wealthiest women in the U.S. What do you think makes these women rich and remarkable? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on upcoming videos.